Chew up. To damage or destroy something by chewing it. The dog has chewed up my new shoes. The baby likes to chew up his toys. Split up. To end a relationship. I split up with my boyfriend last year. My parents split up last year. Speak up. To speak in a louder voice. There is a lot of noise. Please speak up. Speak up. We can't hear you in the back. Show up. To arrive or appear. The train show up on time today. What a nice surprise. I invited him for 8 o'clock, but he didn't show up until 9:30. Rip up. To tear something into small pieces. He ripped up the letter and threw it in the fire. I was so angry that I wanted to rip up my homework. Crack up. To become ill either physically or mentally because of pressure. You'll crack up if you keep on working like this. If you do not rest, you will soon crack up. Crack up. To start laughing a lot. The entire group cracked up at my joke. I always crack up at my friends' hilarious jokes. Patch up. To repair something quickly, or repair a relationship. I need to patch up my relationship with my girlfriend. I am going to patch up my old bike. Split up. To divide or separate into groups. The teacher split up the class into 3 groups. We split up our profit yesterday. Pile up. To increase in quantity or amount. Don't let the garbage pile up. Burn it regularly. He piled up his books in my living room. Mess up. To make something untidy. To make a mistake. Mother warned us not to mess up the room. He messed up his project and had to start it over again.